morning everyone. So it is the 21st of December and yep, you guessed it, the first video of the day is the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar opening. So let's have a look and see what we've got today. So as always, I'm going to start with the mixed one first. So what new item have we got today? Are you ready? Ooh. Oh, they are so pretty. Obviously they're caviar beads. Oh, now Charlie knows I absolutely love my caviar beads. Love it. Love them, love them, love them. I have so many, and like every time I place an order I pick up some more. So these are the pink ones that she's got. So these need to go into a tub. Oh, I haven't got a tub handy. Oh no. No, I haven't. Oh no. I need to find another tub. Because they need to go into a tub. They are so pretty. So they are red caviar beads. Obviously I'm not going to use them today. But they are really pretty. They're really, really pretty red. Really pretty red. There's some holographic glitter in there as well. But they're really, really, really nice red. What you can see on the camera is are they slight, maybe a tad darker, but that's near enough. The right colour. So let's go for the glitter. Here we go. Gonna sit at the same time. See if I can grab hold of it. Ready? Ooh, it's reflective. Reflective stuff. Oh, I know what I mean. Like, oh, they're reflective. I can't think. This is 3 grams and this is diamonds. Oh yeah. We all know diamonds are meant to be a girl's best friend. So look at them. Now they are pretty. So I suppose I'd better do a very quick design. So let's just get them out just so we can have a look at them. I really like the shape of these. The shape of these are really, really nice. Look at the shape of them. I'm going to have to grab some more of these. They're really nice. I really like the shape of them. I really, really do. It's like bouncing off of everywhere. Look at the colours. Wow. Okay, let me just get set up and I will do a quick nail. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the nail that I did. I did top coat over the top of them. Just so you can see that I have. The camera is like freaking out. So most of them are upside down. I mean, it hasn't taken away their shine or anything. So yeah, I don't know what that's meant to be. I suppose just some like random flowers or something. I suppose you could cover the whole nail in them if you wanted to. So yeah, and let me know your thoughts down below on these 2 new products. I really, really like these. So I think I'm going to go back and get some more, and I'm definitely going to stock up on these caviar beads. I want all the colours of caviar beads, all of them. And so she has quite a few different colours. She has white, gold, silver, pink, mixed one, and now the red. So yeah, if you're looking for cheap caviar beads, yes, definitely check Charlie's out. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. It was very, very quick, but I will post some pictures at the end, and yeah, don't forget to hop over and check out Charlie's website. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Well, enjoy your day everyone. Bye.